Smoothies are an excellent, tasty, and healthy drink. They are great spicers for our daily routines. No doubt, a sip of your favorite smoothie can make your day bright. To make a great smoothie, a great blender is also required. Not all blenders can make excellent smoothies. There are a number of great blenders at affordable prices to make your perfect smoothie. There are many products available to choose from. Best affordable blender for smoothies, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best affordable blender for smoothies from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ninja Countertop Blender. This top blender comes in our best cheap blender for smoothies catalog on top. This Ninja Professional Blender with Nutri-Ninja cups is a proficient elevated powered kitchen appliance with 1100 watts motor to make it easy to crush ice and hard ingredients. It comes with 6 great sharp blades and its strong and powerful motor incorporated with the Pro Extractor blades, convention sunder whole fruits and veggies for fresh, whole-bodied nutrient juices. With this incredible Ninja Professional Blender, you can bring about all your favorite dips, sauces, gravies, and drinks. This Ninja Professional Blender possesses XL 72 ounces. Blender pitcher features entire cutters blades that burst through the frost and frozen veggies and fruit in moments for excellent frost crushing, mixture, and regulated procedure. Moreover, it's 16 ounces. Nutri-Ninja cups with 2-go lids render it simple to prepare luscious, nutrient-effluent liquids on one try. Holy elements are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Pros. Eligible for readying a wide variety of grub. Easy to maintain. High efficiency. Entirely beneficial. Time-saving. Comes at an affordable price. Drinks, dips, and juices are easy to. Number 2. NutriBullet Blender. This super capable NutriBullet CNVF 30500C blender comes in our best cheap blender for smoothies catalog in second position. This is a super adjustable blender that performs everything from easy smoothies to savory stew and many more things. Quickly shift between single serve and full size mixing. Let yourself prepare an unlimited arrangement of soups, nut butter, smoothies, sauces, and many more things with this versatile functionality. The extract program allows freedom and free control of the blending velocity. So, get tasty smoothies at the push of a button. It comes at an affordable price with bowls and mugs which are created from super sturdy, high-execution plastic. It is BPA-free and dishwasher safe. This is one of the best household blenders. Pros. High standard food extraction. An extensive arrangement. Durable. Appealing frame and design. Simple to use, rinse, and regulate. Extract program makes you free to control. Affordable price. Cons. It makes a harsh noise. The base is hefty. Small size cups. Tiny blades. Number 3. Oster Texture Select Pro Blender. This top Oster blender appears strategically in our best cheap blender for smoothies catalog. This Oster blender is known for its durability and versatility. This Oster blender has a 1200 watts powerful motor that invariably chops ices. Its 6-cup Boro class glass container is durable with features of 50% larger blade system. These blades function in reverse and forward motion. Moreover, this blender consists of smart setting technology and 7 speeds comprising 3 pre-programmed settings for one-touch salsas, smoothies, and milkshakes. This blender is manufactured with a stainless steel finish for a gorgeous contemporary look. Also, this blender comes at an affordable price. Number 4. KitchenAid Diamond Blender. The KitchenAid KSB 1575 HT Diamond Blender is an ideal appliance for every household. It's super quick and fast. It takes only a few seconds to blend any food, whether frozen or fresh. You can stir, mix, liquefy, chop or puree any ingredients in a hassle-free manner. The KitchenAid KSB 1575 HT Diamond Blender has pulse 1 to 5 settings and a crush ice mode. Its robust motor works efficiently to blend almost anything you pour into it. The BPA-free pitcher and strong stainless steel blades crush the hard foods into tiny pieces perfectly. It has a function that helps maintain the optimal speed during food processing. Let's have a look at some of the pros and cons of the KitchenAid KSB 1575 HT Diamond Blender. Pros. Powerful motor to crush foods. Super quick and fast blending. Durable. Strong stainless steel blades. Ideal for both frozen or fresh foods. Versatile. Cons. The motor can give smoke. Blender can pause during processing. Plastic gear can wear down. Poor return policy. Heavy and large size. Number 5. Oster Professional Performance Blender. Here comes a great appliance for your kitchen. The Oster BLS TVB 103000 stands are tall as one of the best affordable blenders for smoothies. It's professional and highly efficient in working out the blending of both fruits and veggies. It's not an ordinary blender that can cause trouble with hard frozen foods. Its powerful motor can blend liquids instantly. You can make smoothies for breakfast or snacks quickly. It has a chopping blade, slicing, or shredding disc. Combination of manual settings for precise control as well as pre-programmed settings, so it can do the thinking for you. Reversing. Blades alternate forward and backward, drawing food and frozen ingredients into the blade, giving perfect results time after time. There are options for manual settings, or you can have pre-programmed settings according to your preference. Acer BLS-TVB1003000 blender has reversing function too. Its blades move forward and backward for perfect blending and finely smooth. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.